Good morning, Grummy. Today is Saturday, August the 1st. Day 5. It's like day 5. No cancer sticks. Pray for me, Grummy. Cheers. Oh, it's time to feed the ladies. I'm going to get these nutrients mixed up, and I'm going to show you something. One of my kids has come home, and I want to share it with you. Back in flash. Okay, dokie. I ain't got going good yet. Ooh, feeling a little roughish. Oh my goodness. Alaska fish. Alaska bloom. Got a 5-gallon bucket. I'm gonna go full strength this time. Which will be 10 tablespoons. I'm gonna go 50-50. Every 2 weeks just ain't quite cutting it for the cannabis plants. They always looking hungry. Probably need to do it every 10 days, like I do my Dr. Earth liquid indoors. It's probably what I need to do. I gave everything IPM last night. Well, almost everything. Some of these veggies didn't get nothing, like my ugly mater plants. They ain't get shit. Yeah, I'll show you around here. One of my little chickies came home. I love my little chickies. Come on, baby. Close enough for gum will work, right? Five of the fish. I've been giving them 3/4 strength. Hell with it. I'm gonna go full force this time. I did give them some worm castings and some cow mag, my homemade cow mag yesterday. Good doggy. It's gonna take a buttload of pH up. What did I do with my pH up? Oh, snake hunting. Snake hunting. We'll go ahead and throw 40 to it, not even look. Come on now. I ain't fed my cats, they getting frisky. Damn, man. All these long ass white hairs. Fuck they coming from? Get off me. Come on, old fingies. Oh, I gotta set this down. That was 40. We'll probably still be in the fives when we get back from our little tour. Oh my God. My legs are still killing me from the other night. I went and got me some damn magnesium pills. Took one yesterday and took one this morning. Didn't have any cramps last night, thank God. I'm still hurting from the fucking other night. Getting old sucks. It really does. Riley, it does. I gotta get this done out here a little early. My PO closes at noon. Yeah, we'll let her cook for a minute. She's gonna. I gotta get over here and deal with this little chicken. Tony, he might get a hankering to run the lawnmower and cut my chicken up. Can't be having that shit. Ooh. I gave it 40 mils. pH up. We're at 3.43. We'll take some more. I'm gonna try and at least get it close before we take off on our little adventure. That's 50. No, that's 40. 50. 60 mils of pH up. Let's see what that'll do for us. Let's go for a ride. Little cukies. What are you doing down there, baby? Okay, dokie. I got to stuff me some of these things, man. You know a good stuffed jalapeno recipe. Shoot it to me. A little cassava. Black ants been messing with it. I hate them son of a bitches. They kill the damn trees. Plenty of more okras to pick. Yeah, buddy. No more caterpillars for now. I don't top Brussels sprout. Caterpillars worked on that bitch though, didn't they? All right. Whew. Ugly matters, ugly matters. Almost got away from me. Whew. Good size, perfect. Nice and tendy. Tendy little leaflets. She is gonna get whacked today. Chicken of the woods. This is the second harvest here this year. I've been harvesting from this one chestnut oak tree for at least a decade, easy decade. 2-3 times a year. I like it. All right, back to the ladies. Okay, dokie. Time's starting to get away from me. And my neighbors got that chainsaw fucking blaring. I ain't gonna put you through that. But yeah, you can see my kids are getting a little hungry. Getting a little hungry. I don't know why my cam just did that. Yeah, they get a little hungry. So I'm gonna sock it to them. Have a fantastic weekend, Grummies. Thanks for dropping in. I appreciate you muchly. Oh, I'll take it. I'm out of here. Peace.